guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the hair, it's like flying around like crazy because I have the fan on because it's so freaking hot. So you might hear the fan throughout the whole video. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what are you doing? Definitely subscribe down below. You're totally missing out. I upload every week. I'm going to try to upload more often, but right now I'm getting into a schedule, so I'm going to be uploading every single week. I haven't picked a day yet. I think it's going to be Tuesdays, but so yeah. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette tutorial. I just filmed my eyes in this because I want it to be super quick, super easy. But so I know this palette is kind of old. It's been out for a while, but there was a lot of bad-ish reviews on this, so I decided to give it a try, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a tutorial using this palette, so I definitely did it. I know some of the colors in here look like they're not too wearable for some people, so I just wanted to create this look to show you that it is wearable. I mean, granted, I'm wearing green eyeshadow, but it actually looks really pretty and like kind of natural at the same time. But so yeah, I just wanted to do a tutorial for you guys trying out this palette, using it for the first time, and you guys wanted to see a look. So this is the look I created. I can definitely create more looks if you guys are interested. I feel like that would be really cool to have like a series of different looks you can create with one palette. That might be pretty cool. But so yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching, and you're gonna get up close and personal in about a few seconds. So yeah, if you want to see this video or see how to get this look, I guess I could say, then just keep on watching. I also forgot to mention that I did get new lighting. I posted it on Instagram. That's why I kind of forgot to put it on here and put it in this video. But I got some new lighting. I actually have a ring light now, so that's why, oops. So that's why my lighting actually looks pretty good, and if I do say so myself, considering since I started YouTube I've always had an issue with lighting. So I finally invested in a ring light and I love it, and it just, you can actually see everything. And so yeah, I just wanted to add that little clip in there because I forgot, so yeah. Okay, so low-key started this tutorial and then got to a crease color, and I was like, wow, this looks awful, so we're gonna start this all over again. So anywho, so I'm just gonna clip my hair back because it is hot, and I'm really sorry if you can hear my fan. It's so hot in here, and if I don't have my fan on, I'm actually gonna die, so just try to ignore that. I'll try to put some like background music if I can that will cover it. That's a look. So to start as this look, I'm just gonna take my MAC Painterly paint pot. Now that that is on, I almost dropped that. I'm going to take my already opened and used Anastasia Subculture palette because, you know, your girl tried to start a look and it came out bad and wanted to redo it. So, you know, I'm actually really good at makeup, just a little rusty, I guess. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, I can't. Everyone has to scream whenever I'm filming. No other times in this lifetime. Alright, anywho, I'm going to take the shade Dawn, if you can see that. No, you can't because I don't know how to film. I'm just going to dust that on my lid to set that color, because if you don't, then your eyeshadow is going to look patchy and nasty. So now I'm going to take, let's think this through this time, Bryanna. Okay. I'm gonna take my crown brush. This is the C441 Pro Blending Crease. And I'm gonna take the shade New Wave, because I'm actually thinking it through this time. Oh, holy crap. I'm so late on this trend because friggin' people have already tried this, got sent their PR packages, which if you want to send me some PR, hit me out. I'm kidding. But everyone's already tried this, and you know, it's been out for like a year now, and here I am, cheap Bryanna, going to Walmart getting it for $30 because she doesn't want to pay full price for it because, you know. But anyway, I know this is like an old trend, but I asked my Instagram followers and they still wanted to see a tutorial, so we're doing it. Because I'm pretty sure they still sell this at Sephora. I could be wrong. Or Ulta or whatever. Now I'm gonna take the shade Edge because I feel like that's more of like a, well, in person it looks more like a yellowish green, and I feel like that will help transition it into like a green color because I'm gonna try to do a green look today. So that's gonna go in my crease to kind of start off this green transition. And it's probably gonna be an epic fail, but it's totally fine. I'm gonna take the shade Roxy. I think I have an idea what I want to do. Because last time I put that green in my crease and it just looked really bad. So I'm just gonna take the shade Roxy and go from there. I'm just taking that same BH Cosmetics 101 brush that I used earlier to apply that shade all over my lid. I'm just gonna blend this out very messily. Okay, so now to really start the look, I'm just gonna take, honestly I have no idea what I'm gonna take. What am I gonna take? I'm gonna take my, oh, this is from Primark, this brush right here. It's so nice. It feels just like the crown brush, but obviously it's different lengths. Anywho, it's the 230 brush. And I'm gonna take the shade Destiny. I don't know if you can see, it's like this army green color-ish. I'm gonna put that on my outer corner. Girl, that's cute. That's cute, girl. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade, I think I'm gonna do Adorn first and then put Electric on top, because why not? Let's see how this works without spraying it first. So I'm gonna take the shade Adorn. Oh, that doesn't look very promising. Okay, that's not that bad. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with that Primark brush and some of that Destiny color, and I'm just going to build that up. Just because I felt like that color kind of covered it on the outer corner a little bit. And now I'm going to take the only other shimmery shade in this palette, which is the Electric one. I'm going to put that on top. Oh, that's pretty. I like that color a lot. I think this is my favorite color out of the whole palette. It is so pretty. Okay, so I feel like I need to deepen the outer corner a little bit, but I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm going to take this brush. I'm just going to make sure it's clean first, which it's not, so that's nice. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics 105 brush with some of Untamed. And I'm really going to focus that on the outer part of my eye. And I'm going to take that, what do you call this? The Primark brush. I'm just going to blend. So there's no harsh lines. Alright, so now I'm just going to apply some eyeliner, lashes, and the rest of my face, and then I will come back to finish my lower lash line. So I will see you in like 2 seconds. Alright, so now that everything else is done and I look like a poodle, I am going to finish my under eye. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crown brush once again with, let me grab my palette. Ooh, okay. And I'm gonna grab New Wave, if you can see that. I'm gonna put that underneath my eye. I hope I'm in focus because that would really suck. Now I'm gonna take that Roxy color again with that same crown brush, just a very little amount. I'm gonna sweep that a little bit more towards the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna take that little brush again, the BH Cosmetics 105 brush with some of Destiny. If you can see that, probably not. I'm gonna put that just on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna take Untamed and add that to the very outer corner, like next to the highlighter, just to bring it all together. And I'm gonna take my crown brush, I'm just gonna blend it all out. Then I'm just gonna put on some mascara on my lower lashes. And now for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, you could use the shade Cube in here. I think I usually use the same color that I used for my highlight. Why am I so low? Okay, so like I said, you can use the same color from the palette Cube, or you could use the same color that you used for your highlight. I think I'm gonna use Cube today because I never really wear the color that's in the palette. I usually just use my highlighter color, but today we're gonna use Cube. And I'm just gonna take the brush that comes with the palette because it's a lot easier. I'm just gonna put that under my brow bone. It's got a little pink hue in it. And also my inner corner. Okay, and that is the finished look. Okay everyone, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video using my Anastasia Subculture palette. I must say I actually really like it. I was kind of scared I wasn't going to because of all the bad reviews I heard on it, but I actually really like it and I definitely will be using it again. I think the pink, like that whitish pink on the inner corner, just adds like a little pop. I don't know, I really like it. But so yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.